In this video, I'm breaking down 7 legit ways to make money using Canva. Even if you've never sold a single thing online, if you've ever tried selling designs and made nothing, or you're just stuck wondering how people actually get paid, you're not alone. I've been selling digital products online for over 10 years, and I'm going to walk you through what actually works, not some fluff. And stick around because tip number 7, it's the one strategy I make the most money with, hands down. Let's get started. Number 1, teach Canva. Already know your way around Canva? Why not teach it? Start a YouTube channel or post tutorials on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. There are thousands of people looking to learn how to use Canva for their own business or brand. People love Canva hacks. And guess what? You can create tutorials for YouTube, run a Skillshare course, or even teach Canva live via Zoom. You can monetize this in so many ways, such as with affiliate links, selling courses or templates, or hosting workshops. That's right. You could potentially earn money just by sharing your Canva knowledge. Make sure you add affiliate links to your content. Then, you're not just teaching, you're earning while doing it. Number 2, become a Canva VA. Have you ever thought about becoming a Canva virtual assistant? You could offer Canva support to others. Basically, you'd be a virtual assistant who specializes in creating branded content for businesses. Small businesses, coaches, and content creators often need someone to consistently handle their graphic needs, like making their Instagram posts, slides, freebies, or branded content. Think slide decks, social media stories, and PDFs. And what about scheduling social media posts, making email headers, launch graphics, or more? You could offer businesses branded, professional content each month while they focus on running their business. Win-win. For example, packages with 10 branded graphics per month for a certain price. You could promote your VA services on places like Fiverr and Upwork, or even your own social media. You'd be surprised how many businesses just want someone who gets their vibe and can keep things looking professional while they do other stuff. That someone could be you. Number 3, create Canva templates to sell. Want to level up? How about selling Canva templates? Instead of selling the finished product, you'll actually be selling buyers the template. That means your customer gets a Canva link they can edit and customize for their own needs. These templates are editable, reusable files that people can customize themselves. Think social media kits, real estate listing templates, social media kits for businesses, digital course slide decks, or client welcome packets for coaches. There's so many different things you could make. Just use your imagination. And when you're marketing these, use keywords like editable, template, and Canva in your product titles on online marketplaces like Creative Market, Etsy, Design Bundles, or Creative Fabrica. That's how buyers find you. And the best part, you make it once, and then you can sell it over and over again. That's the digital gold mine. Number 4, offer design services. Not into selling templates? No problem. Why not offer design services instead and get paid to create custom designs for people using Canva? This is ideal if you're good at visual style and want a more hands-on approach. You could use Canva to create logos, pitch decks, YouTube thumbnails, or full social media kits for small business owners and influencers. You might offer them $10 to $50 starter packs to land your first clients. Good places to start might be Fiverr, Upwork, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Or honestly, just message someone whose brand needs a glow-up, maybe a business that's local to you, and then offer them your help. You could also check out People Per Hour or freelancer.com. Every business needs graphics, and Canva lets you create and deliver them fast. Number 5, merch design. Here's a fun one, and one of my favorites I've been doing for years. Use Canva to help you design unique merch designs. Think t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, stickers, tumblers, all kinds of printable products. And thanks to print-on-demand sites, you never have to handle inventory or shipping. Got a clever idea or aesthetic style? Why not use Canva to design images for print-on-demand products? Hats, phone cases, hoodies, tote bags, notebooks, anything printable. Then, link it to platforms like Printful, Printify, Teespring, TeePublic, Etsy, Creative Fabrica, or Redbubble. There are loads of them to choose from. The thing here is quantity. You've got to make a lot of really good designs if you want to potentially make any sales. Lastly, the best part, is that you don't touch inventory, and they handle all the shipping and payment to you. You just design, upload, and market. It's super low risk and fun, but also lots of design work. Number 6. YouTube thumbnails and content packages. Here's a hidden gem. If you're on Canva daily making content for yourself anyway, you can absolutely do this for others. Content creators are always looking for help with visuals, especially YouTubers, and especially when they grow and don't have time to do it themselves anymore. You could design YouTube thumbnails, branded Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, and bundle them into content packages that you can sell as a monthly service. For example, 5 custom posts per week, plus 1 reel cover for this much per month. Offer monthly content packages and become their go-to designer. Wondering where to offer this kind of service? Check out places like Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr to start. You could offer something like 5 IG posts a week, plus 1 YouTube thumbnail and 1 reel cover, all for a monthly flat fee. Potentially, that's recurring income from one client. You do the designing. They do the posting. It's a win-win, and once they see the value and the time you're saving them, they'll keep you around on retainer. Number 7. Sell digital products. Last but not least, one of the most popular ways to make money using Canva is by selling digital products. This is one of my all-time favorites. I'm talking about things like printable planners, trackers, Instagram templates, calendars, wedding invitations, budgeting spreadsheets, and even resume designs. These are digital files people can download and use instantly. No shipping, no inventory, just pure digital gold. You can upload them to places like Creative Fabrica, Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website or social media. And once they're up, you can sell the same item over and over. It's the ultimate passive income stream, all while you focus on your next idea. The best part? You don't have to be a graphic designer. Just build your template in Canva, make it look professional, and export as a PDF or PNG to one of these online marketplaces. Then you're in business. There are a lot of fun things you can make too. Think party decorations, games and puzzles, educational materials, coloring pages, stickers, wall art, activity books, and more. Just use your imagination, do the research, and create something amazing to sell online. I hope you have fun creating. If this gave you some ideas, hit that like button. It really helps more people see this video, and I'd love to know which Canva hustle will you try first? Drop it in the comments.